been such a great morning. We had a lot of fun on the water slide and the zip line and floated in the lazy river. We got to talk to you live on Facebook. Cullen's flying the drone. It's such a great time. We just ate as well. We're gonna go over back to the port and then do a Mayan wellness ritual. Sounds very intriguing, and I can't wait to show you guys what that's like. So, I mean, when in Costa Maya, right? Gotta do a Mayan ritual. Sounds good to me.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. I'll be your light.
Relax your body, relax your mind, and let's enjoy the moment. I'm going to give you 2 maracas to each one of you. I'm going to be helping you with the rhythm. Being prepared for a war. You know, there's a war outside here. The world is always attacking us. The people sometimes trying to hurt us, and we don't know how to react to them. We don't know how to release that feeling. That's why the Mayas create this place, to release their fears, their temors, their worries about the war, about the future. Take a deep breath. Spread it in your face, in your hands, in your chest, wherever you want, but first on your face.
Did I do enough? I can't see. Did I do enough?
Yeah, you got it. You want to see? Good. Alright guys, so Alyssa is now a Mayan warrior. She has the mud all over her face and body.
Clay.
It's clay, but like I said, once you're done, I don't know, I wish I could show you guys what I look like. Let me show them my face. Ta-da! So, I don't know what my face looks like. I can't wait to edit this.
Yep, pretty funny.
So now I can put my hand right on the wall, up high. Paradise Crew, this is for you guys.
I guess I probably should have done it all the way.
When we get back, we're gonna have to.
That was such a delightful experience. I feel very relaxed. However, it is 2:19 and our all aboard time is at 2:30. So we are kind of moving. Hate to be the pier runners. We're doing the best we can. I wanted to film as soon as we got done, but it's so windy, and I'm sure now you can kind of tell. And I'm not rocking a wind muff, so doing what we can here. But we're here at the ship. Is there anything you want to do when we get back on the ship?
Nap time.
Nap time. All right. Well, thank you. Thank you to the port of Costa Maya and to Maya Lost Kingdom. We had a lovely day spending it with you guys. So thank you for that. Hope you guys liked it.
Oh, my bad. If you'd like to experience the same things, that link to what we did is in the description box below. So click that. Go check it out. Go get a massage. Go do the water parks. It's awesome.
All the things. All right, we're gonna get back on the ship. See you in a second.